Measuring 400-day clocks is a challenge because the tick sound is so quiet. The acoustic pickup is often unable to hear every beat and is likely to pick up other sounds in the room that will ruin the readings. But the MicroSet optical sensor works perfectly to measure anniversary clocks. The same procedure also applies to Atmos clocks. This video is brightly lit so you can see the details clearly, but the light is too bright for the optical sensor, so MicroSet can't take any readings in this presentation. On your own workbench, a bright work light can also overpower the optical sensor and prevent readings. I've placed a sliver of opaque tape on top of one of the pendulum balls. I used the metallic tape sold in hardware stores for wrapping heater ducts, but any opaque tape should work. The tape sticks out horizontally, and the optical sensor is arranged vertically so the tape passes between the two arms. Each time the tape passes through the sensor, it will trigger the MicroSet. Because the beat time of an anniversary clock is so slow, you can't get an accurate reading with beats per hour. The correct rate is probably 480 beats per hour, or 7.5 seconds per beat. You should configure MicroSet to display seconds per beat for anniversary clocks. To do this, enter the configuration mode by holding down the mode key as you push and release reset. The first setting is for the beep to be on or off. Press mode to skip through the first couple of settings until you see the setting for units. If you press plus, the display units will be set to seconds per beat. If you press minus, the display units will be set to beats per hour. Select seconds per beat and then press mode to step through the remaining settings until you return to the time mode. Because the beat time is so slow, it takes a long time to get a measurement. For this reason, I often set the time mode to measure fewer than 10 beats. You might use 4 or 6. Also, a 400-day pendulum is likely to wobble if you've bumped it. This will skew the results, so you need to wait until the pendulum is calm to trust the readings. The most accurate way to measure a 400-day clock is to use the computer software. This allows you to walk away from the clock and let it run for half an hour without disturbance. The computer screen will then show you an accurate reading of the rate.